Good afternoon. The time is 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 12/9/2013. Yes, it is. What we have before us is a daily chart on this fantastic stock called Mastercard. One of the things that we did with Mastercard today was that it got extremely overbought and it made another 52-week high right here. And that the actual range for today was $8.48. The total volume on it was 434,000 minus $30 million money flow. And that the high was 766.48, and then it sold off of the highs, gave up all of its gains, and had a low right there of 758. Let us not forget though that the previous calendar day, which would have been last Friday, which is just over the weekend Friday, was that we had closed at 758. And this was the Friday bar right here. And we went straight up here, and it's on, I can say it's just extremely overbought. Remember that every time this calendar year, when Mastercard gets overbought, we buy put options. And one of the things that we did today was that when they gapped Mastercard up, this is a 765 put. It's a calendar 1/18/2014. Yes, we got hit on the lows of 1830 and 1895 here. The lesson to be learned is that Friday, the put options 765s were in the money at $27.21. They marked to market. We were the only people that traded the volume, and we will teach you how to trade illiquid options on high beta price movement stocks like Mastercard and several other ones. One of the key things that we want to tell everyone is the following. Here is a daily put chart of the 765 1/18 of 2014. They're very illiquid, that's number one, but they do have a value. And that the previous day's value, which was on Friday, these contracts were at $27.21. Today's daily volume, which is us basically, is at 1830 low and the 20.60 on the exit. Now, having said that, when we get back into Mastercard over here, on the daily chart, the 10-day simple moving average at 756.19. The lateral 20-day simple moving average is where when we were overbought over here at 765, same area, as we traded down to the lows here of 744, and 1, 2, 3 days later, we come right back up to 766.48. Now, having said that, every time now that Mastercard hits a lower high, we are going to continue to sell short intraday, and we're also going to continue to buy the put options on Mastercard. And once again, you want to be the put buyer, and we have the whole tree on Mastercard. We've got weeklies here, and we have the monthlies here. We have call and put structures. So the 765 call contract today, here's what it looked like, is that the calls had hit a high here, and they were inflated, and that high was $9.98, and today's low in the 765 call was 6.52. And that when the calls were cheap over here at $4.33, they had a big rally. Unlike the Mastercard intraday reversal over here on the daily chart, and we're going to blow this up again. Remember that Mastercard has been in such a bull rally for a number of calendar years and whatnot, but it's overbought. So we're going to continue to put that short sell on it at every time that it comes up and hit resistance on Mastercard's high. Once again, The range for today, $8.48. That's from the high to the low. That was from the previous day's close to the high. Once again, it's a great thing to trade. We encourage our other MMTs that we're in this trade is that we're going to be progressively progressive on every trade. At a lower high resistance, we're moving in.